The endocrine system, hormonal regulation. Good day, everyone. Today, I will be discussing the endocrine system and how hormonal regulation works in our body. The purpose of this presentation is to help us understand how hormones influence our daily functions like growth, metabolism, stress response, and overall balance. This topic is important because hormones affect almost every organ in the body. So, understanding them helps us know how our body maintains its normal functioning. What is the endocrine system? The endocrine system is a network of glands that produce and release hormones. These glands include the thyroid, pancreas, pituitary gland, adrenal glands, and many more. Sabi po dito, ang endocrine system ay isang network ng mga glands na gumagawa at nagre-release ng hormones. Kasama dito ang thyroid, pancreas, pituitary gland, adrenal glands at marami pang iba. The endocrine system has several important functions. Una, it regulates metabolism, which is how our body uses energy. Nire-regulate nito ang metabolism o kung paano gumagamit ng energy ang ating katawan. Second, it controls growth and development especially during childhood and puberty. Kinokontrol nito ang growth and development lalo na during childhood at puberty. Next, it helps maintain homeostasis, meaning it keeps our internal environment balanced such as temperature and blood sugar. Tinutulungan nitong i-maintain ang homeostasis, ibig sabihin pinapanatili nitong balance ang internal environment ng katawan tulad ng body temperature at blood sugar. Overall, the endocrine system acts like the body's communication system through hormones. Ibig sabihin, in short, ang endocrine system ay parang communication system ng katawan sa pamamagitan ng hormones. Itong nagbibigay ng instructions sa iba't ibang organs para gumana ng maayos. What are hormones? Hormones are chemical messengers created by the endocrine glands. They travel through the bloodstream to reach different parts of the body. Hormones regulate many functions such as mood, sleep, digestion, and stress. They also keep the body balanced by making sure organs work properly and respond to changes. Without hormones, the body wouldn't be able to coordinate important processes. Sabi dito, ang hormones ay mga chemical messengers na ginagawa ng endocrine glands. Nagtatravel sila sa bloodstream para makarating sa iba't ibang parte ng katawan. Sila ang nagre-regulate ng mga maraming body functions tulad ng mood, sleep, digestion, at stress response. Tinutulungan din ng hormones na manatiling balance ang katawan sa pamamagitan ng pagtiyak ng mga organs na gumagana ng tama at nakaka-respond sa mga pagbabago. Kung walang hormones, hindi mako-coordinate ng katawan natin ang importanteng proseso, magiging magulo ang communication ng mga organs at systems. What is hormonal regulation? Hormonal regulation refers to how the body controls the amount of hormones that are released. Our body uses a system of feedback loops, which means when hormone levels become too high or too low, the body sends signals to correct it. This process ensures that everything stays balanced and functioning normally. Hormonal regulation is important because too much or too little of a hormone can lead to health problems. Sabi dito, ang hormonal regulation ay tumutukoy sa kung paano kinokontrol ng katawan ang dami ng hormones na nire-release. May ginagamit ang katawan na feedback loop system, ibig sabihin kapag masyadong mataas o masyadong mababa ang level ng isang hormone, nagpapadala ang katawan ng signal para itama ito. Dahil sa prosesong ito, nananatiling balance ang katawan at gumagana ng normal ang mga organs. Mahalaga ang hormonal regulation dahil kapag sobra o kulang ang isang hormone, pwedeng magdulot ito ng iba't ibang health problems. Why is hormonal regulation important? Hormonal regulation is important for several reasons. First, it prevents hormonal imbalance, which can cause issues like mood swings, weight changes, and fatigue. Second, it supports normal growth and development, especially during childhood and puberty. Next, it helps us respond to stress properly through hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. And overall, it maintains homeostasis, or the stable internal condition that keeps us healthy. This is why understanding hormonal regulation is essential in studying the human body. Sabi dito, mahalaga ang hormonal regulation dahil sa maraming dahilan. Una, pinipigilan nito ang hormonal imbalance na pwedeng magdulot ng mood swings natin, pagbabago ng timbang at pagkapagod. Next, sinusuportahan nito ang normal na growth at development, lalo na sa mga bata at teenagers na dumadaan sa puberty. Pangatlo, tinutulungan tayo nitong maka-respond ng tama sa stress gamit ang hormones tulad ng adrenaline at cortisol. Lastly, at pinaka-importante, syempre, pinapanatili nito ang homeostasis o ang stable na kondisyon sa loob ng katawan para manatili tayong healthy. Kaya mahalagang maintindihan ang hormonal regulation dahil napakalaki ng papel nito na maayos na paggana sa ating katawan.